We are aware that this is our for sure biggest game in whole year in the next season, and our guys are really in good mood and they are motivated. And only what I wish to them is tomorrow to give everything what they can and to try to play one big and good game, to put all of efforts into the field and to show that they have some quality. I like such kind of pitch. It's perfect, but so speed. We can face some problem because there is different grass. We have in Rwanda, of course, different field when we train. But I hope that they will adapt and they will. Today they actually had training and they have to be ready to play this game in such kind of field, speed ball. That we have to be also quick and try to make it, as I said, good game for us. About changes, it's so difficult to talk about that now in this moment. As you know, tomorrow on the field will be best what we have in this moment. Who is in the best shape doesn't matter. We said it's quality even if it's equal, but who is in the best mood will play tomorrow. And best things that all of them are motivated and all are ready. And of course we have bench, and I hope finally that our bench will sometimes give some return for us, and sometimes they must give more and change game in our side. I think so, because for me, I today work with them and I try to put myself into the training to see how he's feeling, how he's breathing, and that we are in high altitude there in Rwanda. And I think that this weather can be familiar with us. I hope it really. And first of all, we have to be aware that we play against Pyramids at their home, and to talk about something that we're going to underestimate them to play high pressing or attack. We play 19 minutes and we have to be smart. We have to play one clever game to reach second minute of the game. After that, also second half of the game, we have to last as much as possible to play on result, to have one positive result, and increasing the time to try get our chance to make much more positive than 0-0.